time I sip on codeine, I get vulnerable. Annoying the sounds of the storm when it comes. She understand I can't take her everywhere a nigga going. I've been in the field like the children of the corn. I can hear the tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at yourself cause you can't leave me alone. Gossip, get messy, it ain't what we doing. Traveling around the world. Over the phone, dropping tears. I get more vulnerable when I can feel. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel. The real one, exactly what it is. I'll say it cause you know that's why I want to feel.
Trapping around the world. I sit on my balcony and wonder how you feeling. I got a career that takes my time away from women. I cannot convince you that I love you for a living. I be on your line, feelings flowing like a river. You be texting back, you at Kiki on the river. Message say deliver, but I know that you don't get it. Why you introduce us if you knew that you was with him? Made me shake his hand, we got been fucking for a minute. Walk me off the plane because you know that I'm a swimmer. Supposed to be a dog, but you done put me in a kennel. Girl, put a muzzle on it, all that barking over dinner. I was fucking with you when you had a tiny presidential. You got better when you met me, and that ain't coincidental. Tried to bring the best out you, guess I'm not that influential. Guess I'm not the one that's meant for you. I can hear your tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at myself cause I can't leave you alone. Gossip and messages, that ain't what we doing. Yeah. Trapping around the world. Over the phone, drop it. Get more vulnerable how you feel. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel. Exactly what it is. Don't say it cause you know that's why I want to hear.
They say time here.
This boy Anthony right here, and he said, listen.
I'm from the bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do. Lately she been noticing he ain't me. If I ever made you angry, girl, just know that it get better with time. They time is, she can't see her life without me, she's so blasted. Fuck that nigga, you can tell him that you must be. And she don't wanna go to sleep, she angry. Lately she been noticing he ain't me. I wish that we can change places. Don't wanna go to fantasy. She got my heartbeat racing. Let's say time is. Don't go live no life without me, cause you must be. And I don't wanna go unless you make me.
Pretty face, pretty tender, but pretty taught me ugly lessons. Pretty had me giving more than I was getting. So pretty don't come with something more than I did it. Shame to tell my friends how much I do for you, cause they know that you would never do the same for me. I wasn't looking for your secrets, they just came to me, and they contradicted everything you claim to be. I took you to the club and you hugged on somebody that I know them type of hugs. Same shit I do to women when.
Hey y'all, I have not talked to y'all this entire vlog at all, but I haven't done anything today. It's Sunday, so getting prepared for the week. I showed y'all I just got out the shower. Eating a late lunch because we started our day pretty late today. He didn't take a nap until 1 o'clock. So he didn't wake up till 3:30. So he's kind of having a late lunch today. And I just got out the shower while he is eating lunch. And I'm trying to have everything done pretty early today. It's like 4 o'clock. It probably just hit 4 o'clock. And once he's done eating lunch, we're gonna go ahead and give him a bath, because I am not like I'm trying to be done with everything early so that I can give him a bath and start making dinner. Today, I'm just gonna make salmon, pasta, and asparagus. Something like pretty easy and simple. You seen me this morning, guys, cleaning up and stuff. So I had cleaned the entire apartment when I cleaned the entire place when I woke up this morning. As I think I carried you guys along with me, but like I had cleaned like just everywhere, the bathroom, both of the bathrooms, both the rooms, kitchen, living room, bedrooms, restocked Ace's diaper stash in his drawer, pulled out new wipes, which I typically do on Sundays. I pull out new wipes and diapers and restock his stash and stuff. Put the dishes in the dishwasher that was in the sink, and all of them didn't fit, so I am about to, while Ace is finished eating, I'm about to take those dishes, the dishes that are dry because they're finished, I'm about to take them out and then put the rest of the dishes in the dishwasher, and then also finish folding clothes and stuff. Well, I haven't folded any yet actually, but I'm about to. Ray's last load I'm about to put in the dryer, and then I'm gonna put Ace's load in and wash all his clothes today, so then tomorrow I'll just focus on mine. But yeah, typically what my Sunday consists of, if I don't have any plans, just getting prepared for the week. I also made Ace like a little prep for Ace's lunches this week. I did like a little meal prep. Sorry, I'm reading the text. So I didn't vlog that because my storage was full and I couldn't vlog it unless I finished editing the video clips that were on my phone, and I didn't want to like rush and edit, so I was just like, I'm just gonna tell them about it. But I meal prepped. I made him sweet potato fries, I made him pasta, he has broccoli, he has green beans, he has carrots, he has tomatoes, he has fruit. Like, I meal prepped it all. But I'm gonna do like a meal prep video one day, just to like, I throw them in vlogs here and there. I think you guys have seen it before. But yeah, so I did that earlier while he was napping, and I also caught up on some YouTube videos, and I watched Power as well while he was napping because I was like pretty tired once I cleaned up everything. So yeah, like I said, I just got out the shower. I'm about to put these clothes in the dryer and put Ace's clothes in the washer, and then put these dishes out and put some more dishes in. And then by that time, Ace should be finishing up his lunch, and then I'm gonna go ahead and give him a bath. I'm trying to be done with all of that by 5 o'clock. It's currently like 4:10. I should be done with everything by 5. No later than 5:15, 5:30, so I can go ahead and start dinner and be done with dinner by like 6:30. That's the plan, to be done with everything by like 6:30. Yeah, because I'm trying to be done with everything early so that I can lay down. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, but my energy is super low. It's just, I'm tired, it's raining, like my energy is just really, really low today. So I really haven't had like, I don't know, I just haven't had the energy. So I did have energy to get up and clean this morning because it made me feel better that the place is like clean and stuff. So yeah, I just have on this 2-piece loungewear / pajama set from Shein. It is in one of my hauls. I'll make sure I link it below. But yeah, that's why the camera's kind of up so high, because it's like really low cut and my boobs just be plopping out. But yeah, y'all, so I'm about to go ahead and finish up the dishes and stuff. Hey y'all, so I just took Ray's clothes out of the washer. Hey Ace, where you at? Always gotta check in on him because I don't know what he be doing, y'all. But I'm about to Y'all, this door, hold on. I'm trying not to. So I am about to go through his hamper and like separate his clothes. I didn't show y'all, but I got these cute PJs from Walmart for him. Fun fact, I actually worked on these when I worked at Carter's because I worked for the Walmart team. I don't know if you guys know. So I was super excited to buy these because I helped work on these. Also, there are another pair that I want to get as well that I worked on. I'm gonna go back, make sure I go back and get those, but I thought they were so cute, and it's like Velboa material, so it's like super soft. So I got these, and then I also got these from Marshall's for the no, oh yeah, you can have this. Here you go, boo boo. Here. Yeah, I got these from Marshall's for $7.99. So I'm making sure I wash all of these before putting them on him. So I'm just gonna separate. But they're so cute, y'all. Like super festive. I'm gonna get us some family matching ones too. But I'm just gonna separate his clothes so I can go ahead and put them in the washer. So let's get it.
And I know I used to fuck, and I know they with they niggas, but they never brought it up. I'm down these days, down to do better, cause you know I done enough. You should lay it down, talk about it when you up. She don't wanna go to sleep, she ain't. I wish that we can change places. Don't want no boo-boo faces. She got my heartbeat racing. They say time is. Don't go build a life without me, cause you mine still. And I don't wanna go unless you make me. Down on my knees on me, they say time. Better tell that nigga you mine. Heard you been crying, I tired of that. Girl, tell me you lied. Let me be that pussy up one more time. Let me be that pussy up one more time. I know that you feel for this. I know that you did not forget. So don't go to sleep. And she don't wanna go to sleep, she angry. I wish that we could change places. Don't want no boo-boo fancy. She got my heartbeat racing. They say time is. Don't go build a life without me, cause you're mine still. Oh, and I don't wanna go unless you make me. Lately I've been gone, I'm feeling crazy. Yeah, I'm from the bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do.
Alright, so there's his darks and colors, and then over there is like his light colors, and then I have his blankets in here, which I typically wash separately. But we're gonna wash this load first because it's larger than that load over there. And then this load I have to spray some stain stuff on it because he got a few things like on this and this. And then I also have to wash, hold on, his slippers as well. I'm gonna actually throw those in there.
We got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do. They say time. I'm full of bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do. I'm from the bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do.
Baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, Vaughn, you already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes? Jimmy Choo, with a handbag too. Red up, baby, boo, she get the smile. She ain't used to this, she ain't used to shit. I'm just laughing, could've been a pimp the way I move my lips. I be speeding, could've been the driver, the way I push the whip. You a hoe, could've been a bitch, the way you throw a fit. But fuck that, right back to the script, cause this a major league. He got bricks, plus his neck and icy, and it matches wrist. Now it's like 6, told her hit his phone, meet her in the whip, but he ain't go. But he ain't that slow, say meet him at the store. I'm like, cool, let him run his move, do what he gon' do, cause this the plot. Put him in a pot, let it cook like stew, I grab my Glock. If it do a lot, but it's this you like, no, we at the top. Yeah, we lost a lot, but that just thought that new Porsche is built like a horse, colors like a fork. He got a ring, I guess he ain't divorced. Wife probably a whore. Now she woke up, she strutting her stuff. This bitch thick as fuck. Got in the truck, kissed him on his lip. He coming up, crouching like a tiger. Like Snoop off the white, a block on fire. So I take a cost, mess for Michael White. I'm on his ass, he finna be mad. He gon' beat her ass, but this what happened. I got to the door, I thought I was capping. I was slacking, cause that go to